Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. The thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button. Once you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. Okay, and once the watch boots up, you should see the list of languages on the screen, and you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will see that we need to download and install the HUAWEI Health application. To do that, let's open the App Store on our iPhone. Of course, before we open the App Store, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. So, let's open the App Store. Tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in HUAWEI Health and tap on search. And here you should see the app on the list of apps, HUAWEI Health. Tap on it, tap on the get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, tap on the open button to open it. In the app you may see pop-ups about the permissions, for example the notification permission. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny it. If you want to use the notifications, allow the permission. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see this page. Basically we need to select the service region. Tap on here to open the list, scroll through the list, find the region you want to use, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. For example, United Kingdom. Then tap next. Here tap next, agree, and now you should see the health page of the app. Tap on the devices, then add device, and we need to log in into HUAWEI ID account. If you don't have an account, you can always make a new one by tapping on register here. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on, or rather enter email and address and log in. And after you log in, you will see this page. Tap on next, agree, and basically it will bring you to the health kit share. So this is basically for the health features. We have like heart rate, height, sleep and stuff like that, and we can allow the HUAWEI Health application to write data for these features or read the data from these features. So if you want, for example, to measure the heart rate on your watch, you need to enable the heart rate for the read and write. But if you don't care, you can also keep it disabled. You can adjust it to your liking. I'm just gonna tap on turn on all and then allow, but you can do whatever you like. And once you're done with the permissions, tap on the devices again. Here tap on add device, then tap on allow, and let's tap on add device again, and the app will start searching for the nearby devices, and it should detect your HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro. Tap on connect, tap on the check mark on the watch, tap on pair, here scroll down, check the box and tap next. Here tap next. Right here we can select if or check the boxes next to the features we want to enable. So you can, for example, enable all enhanced services like location, join the user experience program and stuff like that. I'm just gonna keep them unchecked and tap next. Tap on OK. Next. We can also allow the app access to our contacts. So if you want to use the watch to call, for example, and stuff like that, you will need to allow the contact permission. If you don't care, you can keep it denied. And this is the location permission, and this is useful, for example, if you want to track your running routes, cycling routes on the map and stuff like that. Weather, anything that requires basically the location. Then tap on done. OK. Here I'm gonna tap skip, but you can also enable the sync for your Huawei ID account if you'd like to. Just gonna tap on skip. And if you wake up the screen on your watch, you will see that we can go through the tutorial. And after the tutorial is done, you'll be able to use your watch. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.